Okay, it's Corée here with the accent français, and I'm going to demonstrate pourquoi le case is better than the clip-on. So I'm going to start with the clip-on. Et voilà, le clip-on. C'est convenient, et c'est marche, mais c'est pas secure. You know, it's not. It's going to fall off. You do not want the lens to fall off. And when you are filming the skateboard, you are filming really hard. It could fall off. It's right on the edge. You know, it can work. And maybe when you prend the photo, it's okay. It's okay, you know. But it also has the problem of the focus. You have to put it perfect. It has to be perfect. And ça, c'est le problème. You know, you do not have le temps. You know, you do not have the time. See, look, I already put it on the wrong lens. And look here. I have to make sure. Okay. Avec tout parfait. Ça marche, non? Mais c'est pas parfait, non? C'est ça, c'est le problème. Is this the problem when you use the clip-on? It's very fun to get started, you know. You get started with the clip-on, it's okay. But then you get good, you become good filmer. No, you need the case. La carcasa, comme les Spanish, l'espagnol. Voilà. Ici, on a le case. The good case, ok. C'est très facile à mettre le case avec le mobile. Bon, maintenant, tu vas voir la simplicité. Ok. Bon. Comme ça. C'est mettre parfait. You know, there you go. Voilà. On n'a pas le problème de focaliser. Je parle pas français. I don't speak French, so I actually don't know how to say it good enough. But here we go. It's mounted with the case, and that's why the case is better. And so, if you want to put, right, the case with something, I will show you why the case also make it better. Is the phone clip. You do not have to worry about some clip-on getting hit by your phone clip. You know, it's already so much, G. So you have to make it simple. C'est comme ça, mon ami. Mon pote. So yeah, I'm not saying that you have to get the case, but you know, if you want to take the filming to just a slightly better, you know, more serious level, I would highly recommend it. Like if you do like actually want to make like some projects that are a few minutes long each, and you're actually rolling around and stuff, then you should probably get the case, you know. But like if you're just like doing photography or something, or if you're just taking videos of your band or something, and you just have it like on a tripod, might not really need like the case, you know. But like let's say you're in the crowd of that show and you want to like get some fisheye footage in the crowd, you're probably gonna want the case at that point, you know. Like that makes sense, right? Also, like I have dropped this thing at 1,000,000 times, and I'm good. Like, you just need to make sure you have like your screen protector or whatever. But I have dropped these things a lot, you know, so they're pretty good. Some people, I guess, on the Pro Max, The Pro Max, there's some issues with focus. When you put your lens on the macro mode in order to use the fisheye, I guess when you take it out of the macro mode to use long lens, it starts to focus on these little things right here, and you get some problems. So that is happening on like the Pro Max. I have not had that issue on the 13 mini, but if anyone wants to talk about that, or if you've figured out how to get around it, definitely let me know. Yeah, that one was something I was like, huh. There's definitely some quirks, you know. There are some quirks, but you know, when we work through them, you know, when you systematize, you know, how to get through the quirks, then that's when you make it work. You feel me? That's all we really got to do, you know. So we're systematizing the quirks, you know. We making sure that we know what works. You feel me? And that's about it, though. So trying to make a couple videos for you guys, so it's like, like there's actually some information out there. Nice. Oh yeah, so you know, if you want to support the channel, this is basically the way that, you know, what you gotta do. Just grab a fisheye and start filming. Enjoy yourself and have a good time, you know. That's all you gotta do. Just enjoy the fisheye. So much appreciated, guys. You guys are the reason why I am here talking to a camera alone in my room. You are real. Thank you for being you and enjoying the film, the fisheyes and stuff. I like filming with fisheyes and stuff too. Some to français, it's really hard to keep it going. It's really, really, really hard. I try. And now it's like a Nigerian. It changed. I cannot control. Okay, I think that was simple enough. I hope you guys were entertained. That is why the case is better. I hope that was good. I'm gonna make more stuff though, where it's like just like simple breakdown stuff. Or should I just do it? So